Get ready for an unforgettable journey through the dazzling heart of New York City. Manhattan. Our 3D, 4K adventure begins in the iconic Times Square, where the bright lights and bustling energy set the stage for our exploration. We'll soak in the electric atmosphere, capturing the breathtaking views of the towering skyscrapers, the vibrant billboards, and the sheer density of human activity. From there, we'll stroll down Broadway, taking in the history and magic of the Great White Way, imagining the countless shows and performers that have graced these legendary streets. Next, we'll head south to the financial district, where Wall Street's imposing architecture stands as a testament to the city's powerful financial engine. We'll marvel at the Charging Bull statue, a symbol of optimism and prosperity, and then visit the poignant 9/11 Memorial Museum, a solemn reminder of resilience and remembrance. Our journey continues to the majestic Brooklyn Bridge, where we'll capture panoramic views of the city skyline and the East River. This architectural masterpiece offers stunning photo opportunities, showcasing the city's blend of old and new. We'll then explore the vibrant streets of Greenwich Village, known for its bohemian charm, independent shops, and historic brownstones. Here, we'll feel the pulse of artistic expression and counterculture history. A trip to Manhattan wouldn't be complete without a visit to Central Park, an urban oasis offering a tranquil escape from the city's frenetic pace. We'll wander through its sprawling green spaces, admire the Bethesda Terrace and fountain, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of the park's diverse wildlife. Our journey would then take us uptown, where we'll visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art, a treasure trove of global art and culture. We'll explore its vast collection, admiring masterpieces from various eras and civilizations. And of course, no trip to Manhattan would be complete without experiencing the dazzling lights and energy of a Broadway show. We'll capture the excitement of a pre-show dinner, the anticipation of the curtain rising, and the magic of live performance. Finally, our Manhattan adventure concludes with a breathtaking view from the top of the Empire State Building or top of the Rock, where we'll witness the city's glittering skyline spread out beneath us. This final panoramic vista will leave an indelible mark, encapsulating the thrill and excitement of our incredible journey through the heart of the Big Apple.